Facts mover here is a shocking fact. The day the dinosaurs died. The Cretaceous-Paleogene. Extinction event around 66 million years ago. Earth experienced one of the most dramatic and catastrophic events in its history. The Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. This event is particularly shocking because it led to the extinction of 75% of Earth's species, including the mighty dinosaurs. This catastrophic extinction reshaped life on Earth in ways that continue to influence our planet's ecosystems to this very day. While many might think of a giant asteroid impact as the key factor that caused the mass extinction, the reality is more complex. This event was not the result of a single disaster, but rather a combination of factors that led to the collapse of Earth's biodiversity. However, one thing is clear. This event marked the end of the Mesozoic era, the age of dinosaurs, and the beginning of the Cenozoic era, which eventually saw the rise of mammals, including humans. Here's a deep dive into the shocking facts surrounding this event, and how it forever changed life on Earth. The impact of the asteroid, most famous and widely accepted theory about the KPG extinction event, is the asteroid impact hypothesis. According to scientists, a massive asteroid, it's about 10 kilometers in diameter, struck Earth near what is now the peninsula in Mexico. This impact created the Chicxulub crater, which is over 180 kilometers wide. The collision released an enormous amount of energy, equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs going off at once. The immediate effects were catastrophic. The impact vaporized a huge portion of the Earth's crust and created an immense fireball that set forests and landscapes on fire across vast regions. The tsunamis of unprecedented magnitude would have ravaged coastlines. The explosion threw massive amounts of dust, soot, and debris into the atmosphere, blocking out sunlight for months or even years. The blocked sunlight caused global temperatures to plummet, leading to a nuclear winter effect. The global temperature dropped drastically, disrupting the photosynthesis process in plants, which then affected the entire food chain. Without sunlight, many plant species died, which led to a collapse in herbivore populations. This, in turn, led to the demise of many carnivorous species that relied on those herbivores for food. Dinosaurs, being at the top of the food chain, were particularly vulnerable. Volcanic activity and climate change. While the asteroid impact was a major factor in the extinction event, recent research suggests that volcanic activity may have played an equally significant role. During the same period, massive volcanic eruptions were occurring in what is now the Deccan Traps in India. These eruptions lasted for thousands of years and released huge amounts of lava, ash, and gas into the atmosphere. The volcanic activity would have released sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The sulfur dioxide formed aerosols that blocked sunlight, causing global cooling, while the carbon dioxide trapped heat, causing long-term global warming. This climate disruption would have led to extreme weather patterns, further stressing the ecosystems already reeling from the asteroid impact. The combination of these two forces, asteroid impact and volcanic eruptions, likely caused a prolonged period of environmental instability that many species, including the dinosaurs, couldn't survive. The immediate aftermath. A sudden extinction. What makes the KPG extinction event so shocking is how rapid it occurred. Evidence shows that the extinction happened in a geologically instant period, possibly as short as a few months to a few years. In that time, species that had dominated the planet for millions of years, like dinosaurs, pterosaurs, and marine reptiles, vanished. The sudden nature of the event left little time for adaptation. Species that couldn't adapt to the dramatic changes in temperature, food availability, and environmental conditions perished. Fossil records show evidence of the mass death of dinosaurs were buried quickly by sediment, and a sharp boundary layer of iridium was found in the geological strata of the Earth at this time, marking the exact moment of the extinction. The survivors, mammals, and the rise of the humans while dinosaurs were wiped out during the KPG extinction. Mammals managed to survive. However, it's important to note that the mammals of that time were small and scattered. Living in the shadows of the dinosaurs, they were likely nocturnal, small in size, and lived in a variety of environments, but they did not dominate the planet in the way dinosaurs had. In the aftermath of the extinction event, the surviving mammals began to evolve and radiate into the empty ecological niches left behind. This led to the rise of many different mammal species, including the eventual evolution of primates and ultimately humans. Interestingly, without the mass extinction of the dinosaurs, mammals might never have had the opportunity to flourish and evolve into the dominant species on Earth. The KPG event set the stage for the rise of humans, and it's a direct link between this extinction event and our own existence on this planet. Why it's still shocking today is the fact that such a cataclysmic event occurred on Earth, leading to the complete disappearance of species that had ruled the planet for over 160 million years, is absolutely shocking. Imagine if something like that happened today. If a single asteroid impact or massive volcanic eruption wiped out most life on Earth. It's a humbling reminder of how fragile life can be and how Earth's ecosystems can change in the blink of an eye. What is even more shocking is that such events aren't as rare as we might think. The Earth has experienced multiple mass extinctions throughout its history, each caused by a different combination of factors like asteroid impacts, volcanic eruptions, and climate change. These events reset life on Earth, giving rise to new species and new ecosystems. The fact that life continues to evolve, adapt, and persist through all of this is a testament to the resilience of life on this planet. Conclusion: Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event was truly a shocking moment in Earth's history. It wiped out the dominant species of the time, reshaping the course of life on Earth and giving rise to new evolutionary paths. The combination of the asteroid impact, volcanic activity, and climate disruption created a perfect storm of destruction. Yet despite the massive loss of life, this event ultimately paved the way for the rise of mammals and, eventually, humans. What makes this fact so shocking is not just the scale of destruction, but the dramatic change it represents in Earth's evolutionary history. It reminds us of the planet's immense power and how much we still have to learn about the forces that shape life on Earth. That's one shocking fact about Earth's history that not only shaped our planet, but also ultimately led to our existence. Comment and subscribe below.